A well-structured SharePoint Online project management site can provide full control over your project lifecycle. In a quick glance, I'm going to cover how you can manage information, data, business processes, project stages by elaborating on an example of a QHSE project site. So this is the landing page of the project. This is how you can manage stages, business processes, or phases of the project. Each block you can see have checklists associated with it. Those checklists can be customized as per your project requirements. And once the user complete the checklist, they can submit it for approval. And once that stage is approved, it get date and name timestamp of the approver, and it moves to the next stage. And once this is completed, this can be marked as submitted for approval as well, and so on. Once all these stages are completed, we can see that as a project user, I'm not able to go back to the stage and make any changes because they are signed off as completed by the project owner or managers. For the collaboration, we can see we have project owner, project manager, project members, and external member details here. So you can invite external users or stakeholders to this project site, and they can by then collaborate with the internal employees or the stakeholders of your project. For tracking documents, we have two document libraries called project documents and external documents. They are segregated by SharePoint Online access control. They provide good track record of the document lifecycle as well. Apart from that, in order to capture issues, complaints, or concerns in the QHSE project site, we have a project issue tracker. Here we can see that there are issues and they have description, they have priority, statuses, and assigned to. So priority could be critical, normal, low, or high. Likewise, you can tag it with new, completed, or in progress, and assign it to the relative personnel. In order to control non-conformance reporting for any project site, we have NCR in place. Apart from that, in order to enhance collaboration, we have project group calendars, which can be shared with internal and external members. And in order to circulate news and information, we have project news portal. Here you can create a news that can be sent out as an email or those who are landing on this page. In order to capture the project task, we have a project planner with the statuses and assigned to in order to see the progress of and status of the task in the project. So this is how, in the nutshell, you can see an end-to-end practical solution that can massively enhance collaboration, transparency, and accountability for each stage of the project, with a superb control over your documents, data, and information. This is how you can actually structure an M365 SharePoint Online site for project management. And those features which you see here are not available out of the box, but then you can customize it in order to optimize the SharePoint Online site.